In a world where dreams often rise from the ashes of challenges, where values are the foundation upon which civilizations are built, we, Fine Equipment, drive ourselves into reshaping this world of global construction industry through our technological innovation. Since 2002, Fine Equipment is playing an important role in shaping global developments. Through our solutions, we empower our customers to grow worldwide. Join us as we embark on a journey to shape a better tomorrow. Together, we build a brighter future. Welcome to Fine Factory, a testament to modern technology enhancing productivity. Established in 2002, Fine Equipment has become a trusted name in the demolition and construction equipment industry. Behind our success stands our state-of-the-art factory spanning 120,000 square feet in Shirwal, Maharashtra. Our commitment to technological advancements is the driving force behind our production efficiency and future innovations.
We started with just one product, that is hydraulic rod breaker. Today, we are designing and manufacturing multiple products. Our aim is to take Fine brand and brand India to a global level by forming associations with organizations within India and also across the globe.
Today, Fine Equipment stands tall with one of the largest installation bases of rock breakers in India and is making its mark worldwide. From rock breakers to grader, excavators to cranes, Fine Equipment offers a wide range of products, from attachments to utility equipment and capital equipment to meet various industry needs. Our offerings extend beyond Fine's product line, proudly associating with world-renowned companies. We value our team, provide them with extensive training, and encourage collaboration and innovation. Our pan-India dealer network, equipped with qualified professionals and genuine Fine spares, ensures that we support our products even in the most remote locations. We craft legacies, leading with innovation, ethics, and trust. We are on a global journey with world-class quality and competitive pricing. Join us on this journey towards a better tomorrow. Contact Fine Equipment today, and together, let's shape the world.